Forget crypto. Forget gold. Forget the lottery. There's a chunk of metal floating in space that's worth more money than every billionaire, every country, and every treasure chest that has ever existed on Earth. We're talking about enough wealth to give every single person on the planet $90 billion. Yes, billion with a B. Even your neighbor who can't afford avocados would suddenly be richer than entire countries. But here's the crazy part. Grabbing this treasure might destroy money itself. Meet Asteroid 16 Psyche. It's basically a mountain-sized chunk of pure metal floating between Mars and Jupiter. But this isn't just any metal, it's made almost entirely of platinum and gold. Think of it like this. If Earth is a chocolate chip cookie, most asteroids are the cookie part. But Psyche is pure chocolate chip. A solid metal ball 140 miles wide, spinning through space like the universe's most expensive disco ball. Scientists think it's actually the exposed core of a dead planet. Billions of years ago, something crashed into a planet so hard that it ripped away all the rock, leaving behind just the metal center. It's like someone peeled an apple and left just the core floating in space. And that core is worth $700 trillion. That's 700 with 18 zeros after it. Let's break down just how stupid rich this makes everyone. All the money in the world, every dollar bill, every bank account, every stock, every Bitcoin, adds up to about $400 trillion. Psyche is worth 1,750 times more than that. If money were hamburgers, all of Earth's wealth would be one hamburger. Psyche would be 1,750 hamburgers. But here's where your brain starts melting. If we actually brought all that platinum back to Earth, it wouldn't make us rich. It would make money meaningless. Right now, platinum costs $30,000 per kilogram because it's super rare. All the platinum ever mined on Earth could fit inside your garage. But Psyche has more platinum than we could dig up in 10 million years. But smart people aren't planning to bring space treasure back to Earth. They're planning to use it up there. Think about it. If you had unlimited metal in space, you could build anything. Giant space stations, ships to Mars, solar panels the size of cities. This is where it gets really wild. Instead of fighting over Earth's limited stuff, we could just go grab unlimited stuff from space. No more wars over oil or rare metals. No more environmental destruction from mining. Just endless resources floating around waiting to be collected. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin aren't just trying to visit space. They're positioning themselves for the greatest treasure hunt in human history. And NASA is already sending a robot to study Psyche in 2029. Here's what this means for your actual life. Your kids won't grow up in a world where stuff runs out. They'll grow up knowing that there's basically unlimited everything floating above their heads. Imagine never worrying about running out of metals for electronics, or rare materials for clean energy, or resources for building cities. That scarcity mindset that shaped all of human history? Gone. But the real kicker is this. Psyche isn't special. It's just the first space treasure we calculated the value of. There are millions of asteroids out there, many of them loaded with platinum, gold, and rare earth metals. We're not just looking at one big payday. We're looking at an entire economy based on infinite resources. Your grandchildren won't inherit a depleted planet. They'll inherit a solar system full of treasure just waiting to be collected. The space gold rush isn't coming. It's already starting, and the treasure map is written in the stars above your head right now. The only question is, who's going to get there first?